My Impreza ej16. I've been posting video about several issues about it, and now finally the engine is gone. This could be, I can say it's both bad news and good news. Bad news because I lost a very efficient engine, but good news because I've always wanted to upgrade to a bigger engine. The ej16, it's good on fuel economy, but then you have to drive it hard when it comes to overtaking and the like. So I've always wanted to upgrade it, and I've been driving it hard, driving to red line, but finally in a moment I'll just show you what happened. There you go. So now I'll have to open up the engine and maybe put in a new one, preferably a bigger one. Then I might post another video.